pullback. We'll continue
up a little bit more now than $2,000 here, just added to the 8K AM trade, as you guys know. And we'll see. I think we go a little bit higher here. I really do. I really do. So hold on, traders. I'll be right back. Danny.
No, the risk was not that great for LVS, just over 20 to 25 cents of stop loss. So that means we need to get something to 49.75, something like that. The market is not helping. We are back over 266. That can jeopardize the trade. So we sure can get a retest right now back to the 50, but we're trading the trend, and LVS is kind of downtrending. Let's hope the market will not disturb the trade.
Okay, I am back. AKAM now. That's the only thing that I have right now is AKAM. Looking for an opportunity, possibly TLRY as well right now. BP's pulled back down. UAA. Pfizer looking at 43 here, looking good. Let's watch the AKAM trade. LVS pulled down, Danny, and then moved right back up. So we're going to continue to watch that. Here goes AKAM on the breakout to the upside.
Yeah, unfortunately, the market is trying to get to the 267 again, and that's not helping with the LVS trade. But let's skip it under 50. Don't get any nasty ideas over there. And the trend, we should win with the trend. I'm looking at AMRN. I think about something like 20. If it's going to break the 20, probably going to continue lower. All right, now we're approaching this 25 cents on the LVS.
Looking
I want to try
beautiful
to
right
squeeze a
now.
little bit more. Market is the volume is rising over there, Scott. As we come to the break, the market is not moving for the last 20 minutes. You know, it's kind of annoying.
Yep.
We're still uptrending,
I'm
but you know, we talk a pause, and this is a big pause.
Yep, I'm looking at the SPY right now, traders, just like this. Like Danny said, we had a big, nice up move here, taking a little bit of a pause, even a pullback here to this 206 line or 266 line. We'll see if we can break out 267 on the breakout to the upside here, watching the overall market as we place our trades today. Very, very healthy trading this morning. Very particular, only 3 different stocks here, and now LVS starting to move for all of us here. So great job, Danny.
$48 target on LVS. I can't really say, you know, we just started the LVS on the daily chart, the weekly chart. We got back like 3 years. So I can't really tell what's going on, but you know, if you're gonna get a move, and if the market is not going to hurt us or to disturb us, we will continue with the trend.
I know you guys get sick of hearing about it, but as Danny said, the trend is your friend, and it's the way you have to trade. You really do.
Yeah, we missed that FLIR trade. It's very spread, you know. Something like 30 to 40 cent spread. It's not a good entry point right now. Very nice, Gary.
Beautiful, Gary. Beautiful. Gary, your day is over, my friend. Say goodbye. Go enjoy the trader lifestyle today. Take the rest of the day off on Tuesday. Love it. I absolutely love it. Facebook earnings after the bell today, traders.
Yeah, we got also an event from Apple, Scott. Some iPads, new iPads.
That's happening right now. Yeah.
Do you see something on the news or something?
They have a live feed on CNET. I haven't seen them yet. No, I haven't seen them yet.
Yeah, no, market is going up and down, but you know, if it's going to give up this 265.50 area, going to create some kind of a double top, it can get ugly. But let's wait to see. There's a lot of weak tech stocks that move right now with the market. Stocks that got beaten the last days, and now they're trying to bounce back. I can see something, you know, like Roku and this that Nvidia trade, and XPI, or this SMH sector, this semiconductor sector was so beaten up. Now it's up 2.5%.
LVS
people
still
are
looking
trying
really, really good.
to find some. People are trying to find some bargains, in that market, Scott. Find Roku at $50. They're willing to pay like 70 3 weeks ago, 75 3 weeks ago. So now they got a bargain.
Yeah, now it's a deal, and that's why they get in. At some point in time, whenever you have a pullback in the market, you're going to have people that are long-term investors come in and say, "Man, I could." Like in this case here, I could have bought it last week for 70. Now I'm getting it for 50. That's a 20-point discount, and they're going crazy. So.
APC continued to be very, very weak. Yesterday and also today, look at the daily. Another stock that was traded at 70 and now it's 55, 54. APC and SM looks the same. The two weak energy stocks. Yeah, Spike is making a lower high, and we can get ourselves a terrifying M formation. This is double top formation. Then the market will get even deeper into the range, even towards the pivot line, which is like 264.60. It's like point from here. And the Nasdaq is doing the same thing. Now the Nasdaq is still positive, but that can change, very quick these days. That win LVS period, that win trade, win stock is also turning negative. Just 0.5%, but that's why I prefer LVS down 2%. And look at the market. The test is going to be, that VWAP line, that 265.50 VWAP line. It's going to be the test for today, for this morning.
LVS still looking really good. And AKAM coming down now. Again, got to be careful with this. Anything under 70, I will come out of the trade. TLRY, I'm telling you, TLRY over the high now. High candle is 95.40. Stock could start to explode over that. Got to make sure that the market is on its way as well. UAA off to the races. I'm going to be watching AKAM here, traders. I don't want to give away my profits. I really don't. LVS, still looking good. I'm going to remove the level 2 here. We don't need this anymore. Let's see CGC. I haven't looked at CGC today. Yeah, over 35, most definitely. Most definitely. Come on, AKM, prop up here for us.
Yeah, Ali, you're right. Scott, did you witness this IBM? Closed the entire gap.
Yeah. Yep.
Now hovering at 118.5. Yeah, closed the entire gap.
Yep. 1842. Well, we're right there right now. What's over on this candle here? 118.30, so we're already beyond that. 118.25. Anything under 118.25, this thing could be shorted pretty well. Well, I think I got to take this 118.25 to the short side here. I'll post it in the room. Pull this down so I don't miss the AKAM trade. All right, IBM short under 118.25. Nothing on the IPO yet, right? All right, ready for the IBM trade? continuing to watch it. AKA, I'm still coming back up now, which is good. Good. Yeah, LVS continues. I mean, really just a great trade down. Okay, here comes our IBM trade. You're gonna watch 118 and a quarter.
Yeah, LVS is a nice trade. It's not risking gas. It's coming down with the trend. Remember, we talked about the trend. Nice and easy. We don't always need these big movers. Just very nice trade with 25-cent stop now approaching the 50. Look at this big red candle in the market.
Yeah. Okay, traders, I'm going to go in short here at 118 and a quarter. 118 and a quarter here. If we break to the downside here, 118. I am short the stock. Now we got to watch for the 118 break. If we get to 118 and we break down here, I will take more share size. I used a market order on my IBM trade, and I got filled at 118.246. Come on, keep coming. Again, I'm going to add at 118.
Now we're coming down in the market. Back to the pivot line, we talked about 264.63. We are just hovering around this area. Big candle. Look at LVS. We are over 50 cents over there. It's a great place to pick another partial. I'm going to leave right now, guys, but I'm going to leave you with Scott. I would like to thank you all and see you later.
Take care, Danny. Take care. Have a great afternoon. Okay, traders, taking a partial right here on IBM. I did not take the ad on 118. I did not take the ad. I'm just taking a partial on the trade. Really, really nice here on IBM. Really, really nice on LVS. Those of you that are in the LVS trade, if you'll continue to manage that trade to the downside, just like IBM, I think it's going to pay off big time. Traders, big morning here so far. Really, really nice for everybody here, I think, in the room. And let's just see this morning how everybody's doing here in the room. I'm very green this morning. An awesome trading morning so far. The only loss I had was the little small loss on Apple so far. Looking good, 72%. Clifton or Gabe, can you guys screen capture the up over 70%? Let's post that, please. I would appreciate it. Let me know which one of you guys gets it, and we'll go from there. Again, perfect trading, traders. Really enjoyed it. Up over 70% of you traders have been positive this morning. Danny's played a nice role in that. I've had some great calls this morning as well, and now we are getting rolling here in the late morning session. Again, today I don't see the IPO. Okay, I don't see the IPO yet. Again, the IPO from this morning that we were looking into getting was the ETON trade, ETON IPO, ETON, and I don't see anything coming up on it right now. So we're going to wait and watch. Again, IBM still in the IBM trade. Just 200 shares now left on IBM. I'll pull this up and out of here. AKAM is the one that I'm hurting in. Anything under 70, I will come out of the trade. IBM still looking great. LVS still looking great. Still sticking with these trades, traders. Awesome, awesome, awesome morning. SCI, Neil? Take a look at SCI. No problem doing that. SCI. Now under 40. The only thing you're fighting there is some lower volume. IBM down at the low of the day now. Down at the low of the day. IBM's still dropping here. I mean, this is strong. This is a strong, nice downward move. Check out LL. Yeah, I would say LL. I had it up on the other screen here. So that 1233 over yesterday's close, I think would be a perfect long here on this stock. We'll move out LVS. Okay, I'm going to cover the rest of the IBM trade right down in here. Buying the cover at 52. I'm done with the trade on IBM. Only thing I'm holding right now is AKAM, traders. AKAM. EPO, ETOM. Nothing happening there yet. If we get it, if we get it. Well, Fredo, you take care of yourself. Have a great rest of your day. Watch AKAM at the top now. LL coming up really, really nicely. Okay, LL coming up. IBM, I am, again, out of the trade here. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take this IBM off of here. We'll watch that for later. PFE still down here in play. We're going to watch LL for an opportunity here. I'll list this trade and take it. It's going to be an LL over 12.